BuzzyBiz Survey has a host of powerful features and ways to customize and brand your surveys. But in this video we will show you how to create your first survey in 3 easy steps. Click Create New Design and select a theme for your survey. The preview panel displays a set of controls so you can decide which theme suits your branding. You can select from a list of stock themes, and we will show you in future videos how to create your own custom survey themes by easy property selection and no coding required. In this example we start with a blank design, but you can also start with a stock or one of your own existing designs and modify it to suit your needs. After naming your survey, click Finish. Adding a question using the Simple Designer, you can select from a list of popular survey question types. In the video on Powerful Design, we will introduce you to many other question types, survey logic, and actions. This first question type is a multiple choice single answer. We name the question, add the question text that the respondent will see, and then we add a selection of choices. Keep the choice name short. It will be used in the charts from analysing your survey responses. The choice text is what the respondent will see and will be a longer description. We have purposefully kept the Simple Designer simple, but with the Powerful Designer you can have image and video questions, and choices can be images as well. Don't worry if you make a mistake. The names and text of questions and choices can be edited, and you can delete or change the order of choices. It is good practice to save your design as you proceed. Now we'll add a Likert question type, which appears below the previous question. Again we name the question and add question text. Next, choose the Likert scale you require. In this example we are selecting satisfaction. You can select the Likert to appear as radio buttons or a slider. Finally, choose how many choices you want to appear across the page. There is no limit on the number of questions you can use, but it is best practice to keep your surveys short and focused. For our next question we will select a star rank. Name the question and add question text, and you can select the number of stars you require. Now click the Campaign tab and click Create New Campaign. Next, name your campaign and add an optional description. From the campaign screen we can enter test data for our survey. If you want to make changes to questions, add more questions, or change the survey theme, just head back to Survey Design and make the changes you require, and these will appear in the campaign. You can also preview your survey from the design screen and test progress as you build your design. After entering test data, click Return to Campaign. Now click Review Responses to open a screen where you can curate individual survey responses. We open a dialog to choose which questions we want to review. Typically you would select a subset of questions in your survey for review, so you can mark the overall response as valid or invalid. You can also optionally add custom tags to categorize responses. Returning to the campaign screen, you can select the type of campaign you require. You can select from a range of direct and broadcast channels. These will be discussed in detail in a separate video. You can also run multiple campaigns for the same survey design. 2 analyses are automatically created for your campaign. Summary charts are produced for each relevant question in your survey. These can be modified to display as different chart types and different themes. In a separate video we'll show you how to create custom analyses to evaluate your survey data. And finally in this video is the fall-off analysis, which is created automatically. This is a useful analysis tool to help you design your survey to get more complete responses.